This is a mind-blowing. This particular crypto strategy which I'm about to share with you guys live here, you can use it to make a whole lot of money in this 2026. Okay, and one good thing about this particular strategy is that it works both in the bull run and in the bear market. I've actually used it to make more than $10,000 in the last 3 months. Okay, so follow my strategy and you get the same result. You can use any wallet of your choice. So if you take a look at my dashboard here, this is my dashboard, you will see that I have 8 USDT. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is to go to USDT to make a deposit. Okay, this is where you make your deposit. At the right hand corner here, you click deposit. So see, I have 72 USDT in my Binance here wallet. Okay, so I'm going to be depositing 70 USDT for a starting point. So once I've clicked it, the next thing I click my wallet copy address. Okay, that's the next thing you need to do once you have gotten this particular boot. Okay, and if you don't have 46 USDT to purchase this particular boot, what you need to do is to join my VIP group so that you can get access to this particular boot. So if you join my VIP group with 30 USDT, where I teach about crypto and how you can go about all this and make money online, once you join, I will give you this for free, which is the access to the boot. Okay, so you have seen I've pasted my wallet here and I've selected Tron, which is TRC20. Okay, so I'm cross-checking the wallet to make sure that I'm sending to the right address. So the next thing is for me to put the amount. So I'm gonna be putting 71. Okay, because of the fee. Okay, so I'm gonna put 71 here. Then the next thing is to click withdraw. Okay, and confirm. So I'm gonna be putting my my code, okay, which is the verification code here. So this is my authentication code. Then the next thing, withdraw. So you can see it now being processing. Okay, so you can see over here, this is 70 USDT processing. Okay, they took 1 USDT for deposit fee. Okay, so we are going to go back to the boat. Okay, so remember this is a boat. Okay, so and you can see I have a balance of 8 USDT already. Okay, so this particular boat analyzes the market. Okay, it analyzes the market. The boat knows exactly the right time to engage the market, and it doesn't take loss. Okay, so you can see the withdrawal have been completed. Okay, so let's go back to the boat and see arrive. Okay, so let's refresh the account so we can start the trade immediately. Okay, so now you can see the money have actually arrived. Okay, so we are now having 78 USDT. So the next thing which we're gonna be doing right now is to start this boat. Okay, so the boat analyzes the crypto market. We only trade Bitcoin accumulation. So this boat has 3 types of trade, but we are focusing much on Bitcoin accumulation. So if you take a look at this particular place, you see this is dollar cost averaging, which is DCA, and you see over here Bitcoin accumulation. Okay, this is the one we are focusing our attention on it. Okay, and we also have ETHDC Pro. Okay, so but what we are focusing our attention is only on Bitcoin accumulation. So we are going to be configuring setting up the bot right now to run this particular trade. So I've clicked Bitcoin accumulation. So the next thing is to select Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is what I love most. And okay, so I've set up the boat right now. So I'm gonna be clicking this green side where you see this particular place, which is start boat. Okay, so once you click this start boat, it will start running. Okay, it's very, very profitable and it doesn't take losses. Okay, it's very, very profitable. It analyzes the market. It knows exactly time to engage the market. So you can see this is 3 trade. We are already making 12 USDT. You can see this is 17 USD. So we are going to pause the video here and allow this particular boat to run and come back later. Okay, so this is after 11 minutes. Okay, so I allow the bot to carry out trade because it's a best time for it to trade. So after 11 minutes, I came back. Look at what we have actually made. Okay, so from the 770 USDT, you can see our balance is now 321. So I have to pause the boat, okay, because I've gotten a lot of money. Okay, so you can see we have made 321.90 USDT, okay, just by boot. Okay, so what we are going to do is to go back. You can see this is my Binance. I'm going to copy my address from Binance, and we are going to make a live withdrawal. Okay, so this particular boot is automated. This particular boot is very automated. It runs the boot on its own, automated. Okay, it carry out the trade whenever there is a good opportunity. It runs the trade for you. Okay, so you can see we are gonna be withdrawing 320 USDT. Okay, so I'm going to go on chain over here and copy my USDT address. Remember, once you start running this particular bot, the bot analyzes the best time to engage the market and make profit. So I'm gonna be copying my USDT TRC20. You can see it here, bot. Okay, so you paste your address here. Once you have pasted your address, then you confirm the trade. The deposit and withdrawal is very fast. Okay, it's very highly fast. We have made a withdrawal. Now we are going to wait for the money to arrive in my wallet here. Okay, it doesn't take time. Once you have made a withdrawal, it doesn't take time. You get your money. So you can see the money is out from my boat already. Then we are expecting to see it here. So once it have arrived the market, it gives find a better time to trade and start trading. And once the bot is done making profit, what I do is I withdraw my money back to my wallet. Okay, this is how we make money on daily basis. So we are waiting for the bot to we are waiting for us to receive the money in our, you can see over here, USDT depositing. So we just got an email right now. You can see that 320 USDT we just got. You can see it over here. Remember, we have balance of 1 USDT. So now we have 321 USDT. So you can now see that this particular bot is highly profitable, highly profitable. And see, the bot is very profitable. So you can send me message and let's get started if you want to start. Okay, thank you. Peace out.